In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your lovable website fully SEO ready. Complete Guide 2026. We'll walk through choosing the right project, crafting a powerful SEO prompt that analyzes your site without making changes, and deciding whether to let AI help with the prompt or write it yourself. By the end, you'll have a clear, reusable workflow for running SEO audits right inside your project. First, open the project you want to make SEO ready in your lovable workspace. Confirm you're in the correct environment for the site you intend to optimize. This matters because your audit should reflect the content, structure, and settings that are actually live or about to go live. Take a moment to verify basics that influence SEO context, like whether your domain is connected, HTTPS is active, and your primary pages resolve at a single canonical URL. These checks don't change anything. They simply ensure your audit will be accurate and relevant. Next, in the project's prompt or chat area, type a request that tells the system to analyze your website for SEO without changing anything. The key phrase is without changing anything. So the tool runs a read-only audit and returns recommendations you can review first. Ask it to evaluate technical, on-page, and content aspects, and to propose concrete outputs you can copy and paste later, such as improved title tags and meta descriptions, alt text suggestions, heading structure guidance, internal link opportunities, and structured data examples. You can say, audit this project for SEO issues, but do not modify any code or content. Provide prioritized recommendations with examples for titles, metas, headings, alt text, schema, and internal links, plus notes on performance, accessibility, sitemap, and robots. Text. Include explanations and quick win fixes first. This keeps the process safe, predictable, and easy to action. If you'd like help writing that prompt, you can let AI draft it for you or create the prompt yourself. If you use AI assistance, add details that improve the quality of the audit, your target audience, a few primary keyword themes, any geographic focus, and the most important pages. If you prefer to write it yourself, keep it specific and constraint driven. State clearly that no changes should be applied, ask for prioritized recommendations with reasoning, and request example snippets you can paste into your site later. When you're done, run the prompt, review the results carefully, and save them somewhere you can track implementation progress. Congratulations, you now have a precise, non-destructive way to audit your lovable website for SEO, gather actionable recommendations, and move confidently toward higher visibility and better search performance.